This is my 2005 Bombardier Can-Am DS650. As you can see, there's a lot wrong with it. We need new bolts for the shroud, and maybe a new shroud. We need a master link for the chain, a new swing arm because the bushing does this, new tires because these tires are garbage. There's a carburetor because it leaks gas. We need a new headlight bulb, and then a full new sprocket. The sprockets on here are pretty bad. But we do have a brand new O-ring chain for this. It is a Caltric chain. As you can see, it is way too long. Full new OEM swing arm assembly. We're gonna polish that up completely. Brand new Chinese replica carburetor, ceramic brake pads. Finally, we have a full set of X-Tread tires, some of the best, knobbiest, most aggressive tires that money can buy. Alright, we got all of our supplies ready, but we need to go cut up some boxes. We're gonna make this my work area for polishing and cleaning the swing arm. So let's get straight to work on this DS650 rebuild. Okay, so we got the box cut, but we actually need to clean the swing arm first, so I'm gonna go need to find some supplies for that. I think we're just gonna mix some Dawn dish soap right there with some warm water and then find some scrubbing things. Okay, now we got the top side to do. That's all dirt, oil and dirt. So we're gonna get this cleaned up. Okay, now we get that swing arm polished up. We have ourselves a polishing kit, and we are going to polish this carburetor. Wow, right there. Shine. You can see my fingers through it. That's how good it is. And we got this friggin' mirror. Look, this is how much of a mirror it is. You can see the camera. Look at that. Okay, it is finally time to start doing some metal work on the metal that is actually on the motor. And I mean, like, clutch covers and cylinder. So carburetor's out here. That's for a future video where we start disassembling everything, and then we're gonna put it back together. So bye bye for now. Oh shit. Bye bye for now, carburetor. Bye. Nothing like working on the quad and getting yourself a nice drink of Baja Blast. Apple juice, I mean. Alright, y'all. Working on the motor. Got my brother's toothbrush. I might have to boil it. Just gotta get up all in there. Get all the dirt out of there. So, anybody that's doing this at home, you know, trying to get all the oil off, what I would do is just go buy yourself a $3 toothbrush over at Dollar General. Get warm water, Dawn dish soap, just scrub that motherfucker. You're working amazing. Polish up that Bombardier logo. Get yourself a microfiber. Look at that. Amazing. Wipe that dirt right off. All that dirt and oil, gone. This will work great if you're trying to polish up a motor like I am. Alright, this is the power of a toothbrush. Look at this thing. Completely clean. I'm going to ignore the bottom side because you're never really going to see this. You're never seeing this. But, yeah. Cleaned up. We got a little bit of this to do. But that won't be too bad. Alright, it is time to start polishing the bolts. And yeah, I am doing that because, you know, it's going to be a clean build, so might as well. We got ourselves a little scratch pad. I don't know, it's like from a sponge, I think. I don't know. And we're just doing it with a drill. So yeah. Looks pretty good, don't it? But yeah, that bolt was dirty. Alright, so we got the motor polished. We got swing arm clean, carburetor polished. And we got this thing sitting pretty on a stand. So next video, we're going to start the teardown on this thing. This next video will come out next Friday. Or, depends on how many of the videos I have done by then, because I might just post it early. Alright, thanks for watching.